You are going to love the 2013 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.